I have checked out a lot of ThruNite flashlights and they are awesome, so I'm checking out their pen. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. I like to write things down, sign my name. All those autographs that get requested by my mom. Thanks, Ma. It's not going to be worth anything, but I'll buy it from you off eBay. And ThruNite makes a bunch of flashlights. It makes some really awesome, high-quality stuff I've loved. And so when they came out with a pen, I like pens. I always need a pen. I always want to have a pen on me, and sometimes I just don't want to carry a big pen. They're pretty long. Well, let's not kid anyone. 5-6 inches is pretty long. So ThruNite came out with this. It's kind of like an EDC tactical pen, and it's very short. Let's check it out. All right, so this is the ThruNite guiding you through the night. The pen is probably a little bit different, but since they have all those machining capabilities for high quality lights and flashlights, then a pen is probably going to be easy peasy for them. So obviously a pretty small little box here. It's about the size of a business card. And if I open this up, I've already taken a quick look at this. This was wrapped in plastic. I took it out. But I also want to show you here that what it comes with is it comes with a separate refill. So you get a refill here for when this runs out because it's a small pen. And then you also get this little chain here. So you can definitely use this like a lanyard and you can clip it to stuff. Man, you can see just like this. It's kind of like the pull chains that you would have on a light switch, like an overhead light. And that would go right through there. Obviously, you don't have to use it, but you certainly can, to each his own. But I want to show you this. This is in green. Man, it's beautiful. I love these little rifle bolt action pens. They're just so cool. They feel cool. You're not clicking that end. You're kind of playing with this. And sometimes you can find yourself just playing like that a lot. Might be a little bit like a fidget spinner. And so you can find yourself being entertained. If you're out in the wilderness with this, well, maybe that's going to be a good friend to keep you from going insane. But man, just beautiful. That anodized green look. It's pretty light. As I mentioned, I think they do everything with aluminum or an aluminum alloy. So they're pretty light in your hand, but they're just built like a tank. And if I go ahead and extend this out, you can see that little pen come out there. And as per usual for ballpoint pens or roller balls, there's usually a little bit of wax on the end there. And now what I want to show you here is that this thing should be able to write. So I've got a steno pad, and we're just going to take the pen. I love this little Coke bottle shape right there. It thins out right there. We have some knurling along the edge there. So even though you're grabbing it down here, man, it feels good in the hand. It just feels kind of organic for its shape. And now we could do a test. Get the ink going. Oh, test. And there we go. Peter Von. And look at that. Woo! Put your John Hancock right there. Man, I wish the Panda signature could have been on the old Declaration of Independence. You know what I'm saying? But this ThruNite is not just flashlights anymore. This is really nice EDC pens as well. So if you're looking for a really cool looking everyday carry, high quality, super convenient, very stylish pen, I would suggest picking one of these up. I'll put a link to this guy in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.